Hello, little friends! Welcome to Mommy's Art School, and today we're going to draw a unicorn cake. We are going to start all the way up with the unicorn, up and down like a little mountain. And then we are going to start drawing like a swirl. And that's gonna be one of our roses for our beautiful cake. You can go like this, and then you can continue doing little swirls around. This one is going inwards. You can do another one on the opposite side. Take your time and just continue going inwards. Okay, we are going a little bit like in a curved shape, like this. And then you can continue going a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller. Gee! And then remember that you can do also little leaves for the roses. And the little leaves are going to be behind the roses. Yeah, so you can do them like this. It looks almost like a crown. And do towards the other way. You can just have a little curves filling in, because then we're gonna focus in the unicorn. Great, everybody. So now we are going to start doing the little lines of the unicorn. Have a few lines. Great. Now that the unicorn is done at the top, we're going to come all the way down with a line. And we are going to do a dot and draw a similar line all the way down. And then a happy face. Great. Now that you have done this, we can do a few more flowers over here, or roses inwards, and do one more flower inwards, and continue on as many leaves as you want, or as many flowers as you want. You can put your own touch. You can do it in the outside a little bit, and a little leaf, then another little rose, and a leaf, and another little leaf. Great. You can continue one more leaf. Now what we can do is the ears of the unicorn. Let's do like this, a curve, and on the opposite side, and in the inside. Again, the opposite side, whee! The other side, and the inside. Great. Now we are going to do our cutie eyes. So remember, one circle and another circle. A bigger circle and smaller circle. Bigger circle and smaller circle. Great. And now we're gonna do some cutie eyelashes. Just have a lot of fun. A very cutie smile. And then when do we do a plate? So you just put a little curve this way, one the opposite way, and joining with a happy smile. Gee! Why don't we add a couple of stars? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now we can add maybe a couple of hearts here. Great! And now go around with a thicker marker. Bravo! Now for this cutie cake, we're gonna use the jelly markers. Let's start with yellow. Let's color the whole unicorn, and you can leave a few spots like this so it shows like shiny. Let's do some pink. Let's add some light blue. Purple. Pink. Light blue. Bravo! Good job, amiguitos! And remember to like and subscribe so you never miss another adventure with Mommy's Art School. Ciao, ciao!